This is one of the most beautiful hidden gems in Bali.
To get there, we have a picturesque drive along the way and 2 waterfalls ahead of us.
To make it there before sunset, let's get started. First of all, we need to have a breakfast. We have some Indonesian instant coffee, some croissants. We stopped at Circle K just next to the road. This was probably the only option. So now we've made it to Aan Secret Waterfall. Aan is the name of the village, and this way down you will get to the waterfall.
The entry is free, but donations are very well appreciated. There's also a little room here. At the moment it's closed because it's only 9 in the morning and it opens at 10.
We still don't know what to expect, how difficult the walk or the hike will be. But let's see.
This is the entrance.
Adventure starts now.
Woo! Do you like it?
It's beautiful, it's amazingly beautiful. I'm still a bit afraid because the stairs are very steep.
So now it gets even more difficult and then we have to walk through the water. We're supposed to go up there? How? It's supposed to be an easy hike.
I think it's a lot more water today because it rained.
It's starting to rain.
I think I can see it. It's just over there, but I'm not sure if it's coming up here.
Are you okay?
I don't know. This is what nature looks like.
Aan Secret Waterfall is absolutely worth a visit, and the best part of it, there are no people here. You have the whole area for yourself.
There's absolutely no one. One more tip, absolutely don't forget to bring your water shoes.
Yeah. Without this, you won't make it to the waterfall.
We're now making our way back to the entrance of the waterfall, all through the canyon and up the steep stairs again. I hope we will make it safe and sound.
What a nice exit sign. How are you? Save your gym fees and visit waterfalls. We made it out. It's quite a climb. Cheers.
Cheers. We're having a refreshing drink at the local room of this nice family here. And we're writing the guest book also for future guests to check out the place.
They just told us that the waterfall we visited just now was covered with plastic, so they decided to clean it up and make it an attraction. They still don't charge an entrance fee, so they just live out of donations and of course of the sellings of the room. She also told us that apparently if we went just a little further there would be a bigger waterfall, a second one we were not able to visit because we thought it's finished here. And now, that's why I love Bali, we are invited to bake cake with these friendly owners of the room. What's your name?
I'm Madi.
Madi?
Yes.
So Madi is the owner of the Secret Waterfall and the room here.
Yes.
Let's bake a cake.
Luck. Okay. Luck. Okay. Lak-lak cake is sort of a Balinese pancake made out of coconut milk and rice flour. It is baked on a hot stove for about 3 minutes. When it's finished, just add some coconut shredding and melted palm sugar.
So these are hand and homemade cookies. So
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
And some Bali coffee.
Bali coffee. This is
What do you want more?
This
Never
is
leaving.
perfect.
Carlo.
Okay, this is for the smell for the cream. And these two
Color.
are for the color, so it's green.
Thank you.
You have to come try this, it's excellent. So now we are heading to Tukad Cepung waterfall. The second stop on our trip to Sidemen. We're running a little bit out of time because we used so much here at Aan Secret, because the cooking class was amazing and the friendliness is also amazing. So we have to hurry a little bit. See you there. Now we're here at
Tukad Cepung Waterfall.
the entrance fee is 15,000 per person, and you have to get a number in case it's crowded. So you have to wait until you get your turn for going up and down. So we are here at the moment. And on the way down there are 2 restaurants, and 300 meters is the last way to the waterfall. So let's see.
Don't forget your watch shoes.
It's not too bad, just 200 of these. It's actually not that bad going down.
Actually, also children are doing this, so probably I'm gonna make it too.
We made it down to the waterfall, and apparently you can take 2 sides to see 2 different waterfalls, of course. Now we're checking out the first one and let you know.
This is just a small canyon you're walking through. It's not as difficult as the other one. It's quite easy to walk on both sides.
But it's nevertheless beautiful. I can already see. So it's always a good idea to go a little bit further than the masses do, because then you find places like this. All for yourself, you can take amazing pictures.
This is the waterfall everyone's talking about. It's quite an amazing place here. The real Tukad Cepung waterfall is so beautiful. It's like a waterfall in a cave. Unfortunately, we didn't make it in time for the beautiful lighting effects, but it's nevertheless beautiful.
The perfect time to come here would be between 9 and 11 in the morning.
I was not joking when I said the stairs are steep. So the summary of the 2 waterfalls, I actually prefer the first one, even if it was way more adventurous, way more, let's say, dangerous. This was like quite easy. The only thing about this one, Tukad Cepung, I'm talking about Tukad Cepung, was the stairs. The stairs were so steep.
And now it starts raining, so we have to run.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
So we just had to stop because it started raining and we need to hide from the rain. Though I think the weather is changing again, the sun is coming out and we're still on our way to Sidemen.
So, first impression?
Wow! Look at that view.
So what do you think about Sidemen?
I love it here. It's so calm, it's so beautiful. The people are so amazingly friendly. And look at the view. I mean, you're in the middle of the rice fields.
So why is Sidemen a hidden gem? Because not a lot of people know about it, and it's absolutely stunning. You have to come here. If you have enough time, you have to visit Sidemen. If you want to have a few days with yourself in nature, it's an absolute hidden gem.
Thanks for watching! Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.
Bye!